Alright everyone, good morning. We are just waking up and we are going to bring the pups out to go to the bathroom. Bandit, come on. We'll potty?
Come on, Bandit.
Always nice to hear the birds chirping out in the country, not like the city. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's nice out.
It's not, you can't switch it. Good morning.
Go pop. Oh, it's nice out there. It's really warm.
Yeah. Diba? Ang sarap talaga manirahan sa ganito. Kagigising lang talaga namin guys, kasi Kinsley, katabi namin matulog. Tapos palakad-lakad siya, alam na namin mag-ihi siya.
Good girl.
Ang ganda ng umaga. Babe, say hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Why you still look handsome?
No.
I look ugly every time
Because I woke up like this.
look. I look ugly, babe, every time I wake up.
No, you're not haggard.
I'm always haggard. Yes, I am.
Go potty.
So these are the apple trees.
Yeah, they're budding.
Yeah. As you can see, tignan nyo naman guys. Paano na siya? Pausbong na yung mga mag-ano na siya. Tawag nito, mag-bloom na. Pero matagal pa, siguro mga ano pa yan. Summer. Puro apple yan. Lahat yan apple. Where's Bandit? Oh! Come on! Masaya si Kinsey dito kasi hindi namin siya tinatalian. Kasi nakikinig naman siya eh. Kasi, nung una natatakot kami guys, kasi kung makikita nyo, highway na yan, yung tapat na yan. So, kasi nung ano pa siya, baby siya, tell them babe, when she was a puppy, we always put her
on the leash.
Yeah.
Yeah, she does really good off leash.
Yeah.
We don't really have to watch her now.
Mm-hmm.
She goes to the bathroom where she's supposed to, and she comes when she's called.
Because they can't poop and pee here, because this is mom and dad's
Yard. So
yard.
they're trained to go into the bathroom
Yep.
out in the orchard. They will never go into the
Yep.
yard.
And Kinsey is very smart. She don't pee and poop here. She never pee and poop here. She always go there, because Bandit is always taking her to the other side. Kumbaga, parang tinuturuan din ni Bandit si Kinsey. Dito ka. Babe, I think she's still gonna... Ayan, tignan niya. Yup.
Go potty.
Go potty, come on. It's okay. Go potty right there. Diyan siya sa... Alam niya kung saan siya tatay. It's okay, go potty. It's okay. Come on. Dati talaga nung papi siya, hirap na hirap kami. Hey, right there, Kinsley. Kala ko maglaro.
What you have? What you got? What are you doing?
Ang kulit ni Kinsley. Where's Daddy? Kinsley, where's Daddy? Ganito lang maririnig nyo dito. Hindi mga ingay ng sasakyan. Kasi may highway naman yan. Ayan, highway naman yan. Yung tapat. Kaso, bibihira yung mga sasakyan kasi kumbaga sa street na to, hindi siya masyadong busy. Tapos ayan, may mga doon yung taniman ni Mama Karen. Kaso, syempre, pag summer pa ata siya magtatanim. Kasi pag winter talaga nag-i-snow dito. Nag-i-snow dito, diba? So namamatay yung mga puno. Alright, mag-breakfast tayo guys. Let's go.
Leave it.
Magawa tayo ng coffee. Ilagay ko lang dito yung camera para makita niyo. And galing kami Olive Garden kagabi. Tulog pa din na mamin dad. Pakita ko sa inyo yung picture. Yung picture na sinend namin. Yung magnet siya. Nilagay nila dito. Ayan, no. Kasal namin ni Travis. Tapos, yung sinend namin yung package for Christmas. Ito yung pumunta kami sa lake. Tapos, kami nila Kingsley. Ito yung bahay nila. Ang ganda ng loob. Simple lang. Diba? Lagyan natin dito. Babe. Babe. Come here. Can you put water in it? Just a second.
Twist it.
Ang gamit nila is Ninja Curate. Is this a Curate, babe? Ano to? Papalitan mo lang yung filter. Pupunta kayo mamaya sa sinihan. Manonood kami. Kasama na. With the
You just
family.
need a...
Filter.
I think she keeps them up there.
Huh?
Yeah, right here.
How many scoop are we gonna put?
I'll just do as many as Mom normally does.
What are you doing? ASMR? Mag-edit ako ng video ni Travis ngayong umaga.
That's probably
Ito yung
good.
gamit nilang coffee. Ang bango. Ano yan? Full? Mag-breakfast kami guys and then mag-edit ng video. Panoorin niyo yung video namin na pumunta kami ng Sand Dunes dun sa channel na isa, JT4x4. Super saya. Ang saya-saya talaga kasi ginamit ni Travis yung truck niya. Pero mag-upload din ako ng video yung parang ano namin na papunta doon. And para makita niyo yung view doon. Sobrang ganda.
A few moments later.
Alright, aray, Kinsley. Hala, you know. Oh, that's Mama Karen. Someone is asking Ma, where's Mama Karen in my vlog? Hi, Kinsley. Can I come with us? Can I...
Should I bring her?
I mean,
You can bring her because even if we run into Home Depot,
yeah,
we can stay in the truck. And
yeah.
we van it won't go anywhere, but you never know what kids.
Right here, babe, inside the... It's in the garage. Yeah.
Go for a ride.
Go for a ride? Can she go? What are we gonna use?
Are we using the Scout? Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna use the Scout. Bandit knows that we're leaving. We're gonna go for a ride, I know. We're gonna go for a ride. Kinsey, you coming with us? It's nice out. It's sunny. And it's warm, unlike yesterday. She don't like that, Ma. The harness. Is that... Put it on her, babe. She don't like the harness.
Come here.
Tingnan niya. Ayaw niya yan eh.
She acts like it's gonna kill her.
Right? You're so cute. Kinsey, look at mommy. Kinsey, look mommy. Hey, look at mommy. Good girl. Hi, Bandit. Hi, baby boy. Still our baby boy. Even though he's 11 years old. Oh, 10, 11, right? Yeah, me too. But you have to bring that because we're gonna... Yeah.
Get out of there.
Kinsley!
Get out of there.
You're so naughty. Come here. They're so funny.
No, we put it in the middle because all the times he lays between us.
Oh. Come on, jump. Come on. Bandit. Come on, jump. Kinsey, you have to learn. Bandit.
Bandit, come on.
Si Bandit magaling mag-akit eh. Ooh!
She can't quite jump that high.
Bandit is very expert. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Do with his bag.
Let's go. Kinsey. We're using the Scout. Ooh. Punta sila sa loob ng Home Depot. Hey, you stay.
Daddy's fine.
Yeah.
You stay here.
Look at Bandit. This is the Home Depot. Here, it's a big one too. Do you have a big Home Depot here, Ma?
You stay.
Yeah, and look at that. Ito yung parang city nila dito. Ayun, kung makikita nyo may mga matataas na building. Yep. Ayan yung city.
One is tea. Is she picking on you?
Yeah. Because Kinsey wants to play. We're going back home. We're going back home now. Like he get pissed by Kinsey. Bandit.
Showing his smallest teeth. He's got his teeth. He's like all his lips.
Bandit.
This kid says he bites his ears.
Hey, stop! I'm not holding it properly.
Hold it up like this way.
Wait, it's not. Stop being so ano! How can I record properly?
Don't complain. I'll go slow.
Okay, go slow. Go slow. I said go slow.
I'm going slow.
Stop.
You suck at holding your phone.
You were so fast. You're very fast.
You want to drive?
Yeah, okay. Alright, we hold it.
Figure it out.
And then
Gas. Brake. where old trees are. She is getting a workout. Come on. Come on. Come on, pretty girl.
Sabi ko.
All the way back up.
I mean, I guess she does bomb with you.
She does.
Yeah,
She just
she
ran
really run.
all the way back here.
Good girl. She's tired. Good afternoon, guys. Pinapaano ko lang tong dalawa. Sana yung... Aalis kami ngayon ni Travis. Imimit namin yung pinsan niya. May pupuntahan kami. And kanina nag-ano kami ng... Nagsumakay kami nung parang 4x4 ba yun tawag nito, side by side or whatever. Yun, super fun. Tapos pumunta kami sa Home Depot kasama yung mga aso. May binili sila kasi kinabit yung bagong bidet na regalo namin sa kanila sa in-laws ko, ano. So yun lang yung vlog natin for today. We'll upload more videos here next time. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye.